basically, this is kind of a fun one for me, so I'm going to go ahead and give the backdrop. But yeah, so we started the process. You guys were interested in solar, wanted to save money. We did a design. Everything looked pretty good. We did the inspection, found out that the roof had to be improved, which we ended up replacing 2 roof planes and the ridge. And then the main panel needed to be upgraded. And then you guys were not super excited about spending a bunch of money on those 2 upgrades, so we were able to basically roll that into the solar project. So anyway, it's awesome because I like when solar, you get a big upgrade on the house and no money out of pocket. So I guess the first question would be interesting for people to hear about is just how was the process? Because a lot of people talk about, oh, I'm not going solar, I don't have time, it's too hard.
Well, I had been contacted by many solar companies, and I didn't think at my age that it was really beneficial. And so I'd always say no, no, no. And so then Cole stopped by, and he came by a few times, kind of interested. So he came by, and so he finally got us to talk to you, and then you came by, and we had, it was very interesting conversations. And that's when we decided, if we don't have to have out of pocket, that makes a big difference, especially since we're retired and on a fixed income. So we've just been going through getting everything done. It's taken a little time, but if you're going to do it right, you do it right. Fixing the roof was a really big thing for me because, like I said, fixed income, you can't do a lot of stuff like that. And then our electrical panel found out it was a fire hazard. And so we went ahead and did that and came up with another problem, which the electricians told us, is that our main water line was broke underneath the house. So it's like, thank God we had you guys do this and found that problem. The fellows who came out and put up the panels, everybody's always been so nice and so polite and just very, very business oriented, and it's just been really great. We're really glad we're doing this. So now we'll just have to see how it's going.
Yeah.
Once we do that, but it's been a good experience for me. It really has.
No, we appreciate the business, obviously, and you guys have been awesome to work with. And I forgot about 2 things. I forgot to mention the water leak, which would have never been discovered had we not done that.
Absolutely.
And the other thing, you had the Zinsco panel, which is a discontinued, old, dangerous panel.
Yeah, which we didn't know about.
So you didn't know about it. We actually figured it out as part of the site survey and the inspection, and I remember talking with both you guys, but your husband was a little reluctant to move forward.
Oh yes.
And so we had to get him on the team, and I think it was once we explained everything and how we're doing it, and the fact that no money out of pocket.
Right. And the thing with PG&E is going to be going up and up and up, and so's water. It's too bad we can't do something with the water. But I know that's going to be going up and up, and we have to use our electrical stuff, and we're home all the time, so it's running all the time. So that was one of the main things. And that it can be sold with the house, that's good, because I'd like to live 25 more years, but we'll see.
You will. No, that's another good point too, is like you're able to, it's just like transferring your PG&E, you transfer your solar. It's a super easy thing to do. Well, again, thanks a lot. Thanks for the kind words, and it was super fun working with you guys.
Oh, thank you. You've always been great with us. So was Cole also. He was always very nice and professional, and
we'll give Cole a thumbs up.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, he's one of our better guys. He's good.
Okay.
Cool. Thanks, Lynn.